Fame Kids presents Thoughts, Feelings, and Behaviors. The human brain is amazing and complex. It helps us with everything we do from day to day. Information about the world around us is sent to the brain, which helps us make sense of the information and use it to form thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. As such, our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are all connected. When you see a small dog, you may think, "That's a cute dog." This thought makes you feel happy, and so you may ask to pet and play with the dog. So, how do our brains do all of this? Let's first look at the basic building blocks of the brain: neurons. Neurons work by sending each other messages. They use chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. You see, neurons are separated in the brain, like how two islands are separated by water. Neurotransmitters act like the boats that carry messages from one island to another, so they are able to connect the two islands with information. These signals produce a response. For example, when your hand touches a hot stove, neurons will send a message to other neurons in the brain, which then quickly sends a signal down your hand to remove it. Now to look at someone who is experiencing a mental illness. When there is too much or too little of a neurotransmitter, this can change how the message is received. Because of this, it might be hard for someone with a mental illness to control their feelings or change their thoughts easily. As a result, the person may have different thoughts and feelings, which we know are linked to how we act. Someone experiencing a mental illness may react to a situation differently than what others may consider normal. For example, instead of seeing a small dog and thinking that it's cute, they may think it's dangerous. Therefore, they may feel scared and would run away yelling. However, we can try our best to take care of our mental health by choosing positive thoughts. For example, let's look at some thoughts that we might have on the first day of school. You may have a negative thought about not making any new friends. Thinking about this, you feel sad and worried. From this feeling, you may end up crying. On the other hand, you can have positive thoughts. By thinking that you're going to meet new people and make new friends in your class, you feel happy. So then, you walk into class with a big smile on your face and talk to the new classmate that sits beside you. Being able to understand what is making you think or feel a certain way will help you to choose positive thoughts instead of negative thoughts. Positive thoughts help us to feel happy. They help us to overcome our fears and to try again even when we fail. Remember these thoughts when you're faced with a tough situation. This video was brought to you by the Family Association for Mental Health Everywhere.